If you're confused about what lens to buy, prime lens, zoom lens, don't worry, I got you, because your lens matters way more than your camera. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm helping beginner videographers level up step by step. No gatekeeping, no overcomplicated talk, just real game you can use. Let me say this first. Your lens is what actually creates the look, not just your camera. Let me give you an example. Two people can use the same camera, but with different lenses and get completely different results. If you're trying to level up your visuals, this is where you need to pay attention. All right, let's break this down simple. Prime lens or zoom lens. A prime lens has one focal length. That means it doesn't zoom in or out. If you want to get closer, you gotta move your feet. A zoom lens lets you zoom in and out, so you can adjust your frame and focal length without moving. Now, here's the real difference. A prime lens will usually give you better image quality, better low light performance, and that blurry background that everybody loves. A zoom lens will give you more flexibility, more convenience, and faster shooting in different situations. So which one is better? Well, that depends on you. If you're shooting events or need versatility, go with a zoom lens. If you're trying to get that cinematic look, go with a prime lens. Now, let's talk about focal length. This is where a lot of beginners get confused. If you're just starting out, there's only 3 focal lengths you need to know: 24mm, 35mm, and 50mm. The lower the millimeter, the more wide the shot. The higher the millimeter, the more zoomed in. 24mm is wide. It's not super wide, but it's pretty standard for wide. Perfect for vlogging, real estate, or showing more of the environment, not just the subject. 35mm is the perfect middle ground. It looks natural, great for interviews, great for podcasts, YouTube videos, and just storytelling. Now 50mm is the one. Me personally, I shoot on an 84mm, but 50mm is a good start. It gives you that cinematic look. Clean subject, nice background blur, perfect for portraits and creative shots. If you don't know which one to pick, start with a 50 because you cannot go wrong with that. Now, let's talk budget, because you do not need to spend a crazy amount of money on your first lens. There are some solid, affordable lenses out there. For example, the kit lens that comes with the Sony, when people upgrade their lens, this is the first one that they sell. They get rid of the cheap one. The Sony 50mm f1.8, solid lens. Super affordable, great in low light, and gives you that clean, blurry background. Another option, the Sony 35mm f1.8. Perfect for everyday shooting and still super versatile. If you want an affordable zoom lens, check out the Tamron 28 to 75mm. You get multiple focal lengths in one lens, and it's still sharp and clean. Now, here's what most people won't tell you. You do not need a whole collection of lenses. Start with one, learn it, and master it. Once you understand how to use that lens, then you get a new one. Because your gear doesn't make you better, skills do. We'll talk about that later. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe if you're serious about videography, and drop a comment. What lens are you rocking? Zoom or prime? 50 or 35? Let me know. I got more videos coming soon breaking down this journey step by step. Remember, we're building from the ground up. I'll catch you on the next one.